Hello everyone and welcome back to Coxplay. In this video I'm going to be giving you a broken down overview of Flappybot, so let's go ahead and begin today's video. Before we go on and do that, please drop a like on today's video, subscribe if you guys are new, and check out our written overview linked down below. If you're watching this on our written overview of this bot in an embedded video player, hit the YouTube icon, head over to our YouTube channel and check out the rest of our content. But let's go ahead and begin today's video. I'm going to begin on the webhook settings tab here and make my way upwards, so let's go ahead and begin. So we're going to begin on the webhook settings page like I said, and this is where you can go ahead and configure your webhook. So the bot name is obviously going to be the bot name that you can configure. I can put in anything I want there. Go ahead and put in your text. If you want to go ahead and enable handy links is essentially just this section if you want. I'm not going to do that, but obviously you can if you wish. Then you have your footer text, and that's essentially the footer over here. You can go ahead and configure that. The footer image, that is the image over here, and then the embed color. When you click this, you can go ahead and customize the color that is going to be sent when it gets sent in. Moving over to general settings, these are the general settings for the bot. You have the option of importing and exporting your settings if you wish. You can go ahead and configure your alerts hook and your success hook. You can go ahead and enable alert chime if you wish. Currently it's enabled, which is why it's blue. If you want to disable it, swipe it to the left. You have a link chime, link appender, which will ask you for a link for the appending to take place. You have multi-chrome, enable your Chrome profile using Flappy scripts. If you want to do that, then you can. If you want to enable OCR as well, you need to put in a Google API key, but OCR is pretty useful as well. Moving over to proxies, this is where you can go ahead and enter some proxies. Hit the new proxies button. You can go ahead and give these proxies a name. I'm going to call it video test. I'm going to go ahead and grab a proxy here. Give me one moment to go ahead and do that. This proxy doesn't actually work, but I'm just doing it for the purpose of this video. You go ahead and paste in that proxy. You make, oh my bad. You go ahead and paste in that proxy. You make sure it's separated by each line. Hit the save button, and as you guys can see, that list has been saved. You can use this arrow to go ahead and expand it. You can edit it live through this list here. Hit save proxies when you're done, or delete these proxies if you wish. And the counter of the proxies will appear there, and the proxy list name will be there. Moving over to profiles, this is where you can go ahead and create a profile. So hit the create profile button, and then you greet it with this. Pretty simple. You have your profile name, email, first name, address 1, address 2, phone number, obviously your last name, country, state, city, postal code, card number, expiry information, and CVV. I'm not gonna put this in the video of me filling this out. I'm gonna put some test information in here, but you guys know how to fill this out, so give me one moment to go ahead and fill all this out. So I've gone ahead and filled out my profile here. I'm gonna hit the save button, and that will go ahead and create the profile. It'll show the first 4 numbers of my card number. You hit this arrow to go ahead and expand it and view all the information here. You can edit it at any point if you wish. Once you go ahead and edit it, hit the save profile button or delete it if you wish. Then we have the request mode section. So this is their request mode section. Pretty obviously, you have Amazon, Shopify, MetaLab dashboards, and TL dashboards. So just to go ahead and break this down, you can go ahead and create tasks based on these 2 dashboards and these 2 platforms. So I'm going to go through TL dashboards and then skim through the rest. So you have a page that looks like this, and if you go through all the other pages, it looks pretty similar. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. So this column will be to go ahead and select the task. This is the site, the cookie share, profile, and status. So hit actions, hit create task. Then what it has is all the bots that currently support DL dashboards. These are all the bots that they've actually got inside Flappybot. Obviously this will be updated in the future, I assume, but you have the TL demo site if you wish to use that, Phoenix bot, and Nebula. So let's hit Nebula for example. You go ahead and select your profile, which I created in this video. If you want to do cookie share, you enable it. If you don't, then don't. I'm not going to enable it for this video. Hit the save button and you've gone ahead and created your task. So you have the select option, the site, cookie share is not available, profile, and the status is idling because it's yet to do anything. Then you can go in and start task, stop task, delete task, and password injector. So this is where you can go ahead and inject passwords into your task. You can use copied password if you wish, and once you go ahead and enter something here, hit submit password and you can close this down if you wish. But to go ahead and actually start this task, you have to select the site, hit start task, and as you guys can see, it's gone ahead and started the task. So to go ahead and start the task, you select the task you want to start, head to actions, hit start task. You can stop the task at any point, you can delete it as well, and obviously you can go ahead and create more if you wish. And the same goes for the MetaLab, Shopify, and Amazon. Moving over to the monitor section, let's begin at the custom Discord monitor section and then go through the variety of options here. So you have the custom Discord monitor, go to actions, hit create task. You can go ahead and create a task. When it says select profile, you need to go ahead and add an account on the Discord account section within the bot. Then you go ahead and enter the channel ID, obviously go ahead and enter one. Then you have your password link. You can go ahead and enter that if you wish. It is optional, as it says. You have the link opener if you want to enable that, and you have cookie share if you want to go ahead and enable that. And once you go ahead and create it, hit the save button. The task will appear here. You can start the task, stop the task, start all tasks, stop all tasks, as well as delete the tasks. Moving over to custom Twitter monitor, very simple process. Once again, you go ahead and enter the username. If it's on private, then you actually have to give an account here, and the account has to be following the private user. Then you put in the password link, and once again, whether you want to use link opener or cookie share, once you've gone ahead and configured all this, hit the save button. It will appear here, and then you can use the action buttons again. And for the web monitor, it is actually kind of different. You have to edit the web feed. You can enable link open if you wish. You can put in the password link, and you can enable cookie share at any point. And once you're done, hit the save button. So that is going to go ahead and conclude this overview of FloppyBot. If you guys did enjoy the video, please drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new. I'm going to catch you guys next time. Peace out.